we move on now? So, Jean-Michel, or I don't know who actually will be making this presentation, because is Jean-Michel is going?
Can you hear me?
Adeline. Hi,
Yes.
sorry.
No problem.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please
Good
go
morning,
ahead.
everybody.
Thanks.
So in a first steps, I would like to apologize for not being physically present with you, but my early plane to Munich was cancelled, and it was therefore not possible for me to join you on time. So yes, my name is Adeline Bouvresse. I'm a SNCF secondee. I have 20 years experience in rolling stock maintenance. I integrated UIC in 2018, and since the beginning of this year, I'm responsible of UIC standardization unit and the highway publication subsidiary. UIC main mission is to promote rail transport globally with the objective of responding effectively to current and future challenges relating to mobility and sustainable development. Therefore, sustainability and digitalization are at the heart of UIC activities. UIC promotes requirements for the rail system equipment which are coming from its members, the highway. This is the first step of the V cycle, however critical to get a fit-for-purpose product. So these requirements defined in the projects are implemented via UIC leaflets or international highway solutions, guidelines, and technical reports. When required, we put in place together with industry proof of concepts or trials to make sure that the products are well adapted. So this is the case, for example, for FRMCS. UIC added value is to provide to its member a technical support in different areas, including, of course, digitalization. The UIC sustainability platform provides focus and leadership for the environmental and social sustainability agenda in the global highway community. So I extract some example of UIC activities in the field of digitalization. So digitalization is used to improve performance, punctuality and safety. UIC, so activities in the field of digitalization are really numerous and cover a wide range of areas. So for example, in the field of digital modeling, so the rail system is composed of many systems, and each of them may require a digital representation to support highway digitalization needs. Around its rail system model and on-to-rail projects, UIC collaborates with various stakeholders to complement the efforts of existing initiatives and deliver a coherent digital model of the entire rail system. UIC approach is to use the tools of the semantic framework to foster interoperability and enable machine processability, in line with the approach favored by ERA and the European Commission. Digital information enriched with rich semantics can then be used to feed digital twins to enable a multiple of applications, like simulation, verification, prediction. Another project is we already discussed about it, but Future Highway Mobility Communication System, so FRMCS, which is the future worldwide telecommunication system designed by UIC in close cooperation with the different stakeholders from the rail sector. This project was made necessary by the coming obsolescence of the SMR by 2035, and provided the opportunity to enable and support the highway digitalization and the associated need to transmit, receive, and use increasing volumes of data which is at the very heart of the sustainable transport. To date, FRNCS specifications are included in 2023 CCS TSI. The first prototype has been tested and proven via the project 5G Rail, and UIC agreed with DG Move, EURAY, GU, and ERA an implementation plan which will make the system available for highways mid-2027. In another area, open sales and distribution model. So it's a B2B rail sector initiative of railways and ticket vendors seeking an open IT, enabling dynamic tariff data exchange between companies for rail, but also for other modes of transports. OSDM gives customers access to international tickets for all modes in a single purchase with best value fares and clear after-sales conditions. OSDM is an open source specification available free of charge for everybody based on the latest technical format. For online distribution, the new OSDM specification uses an application programming interface which allow dynamic price distribution for all actors. So as you can see here, there's a lot of additional UIC activities in the field of digitalization, but I won't have enough time today to present it all to you. In the field of sustainability, so as you know, highway is the preferred mode of transport with low emissions compared to plane and road. And so UIC is working to the continual improvements of highway in terms of sustainability. The UIC Smart Communication for Efficient Rail Activities project is both in the field of digitalization and sustainability. It was initiated to standardize driving advisory system languages, reduce costs, and facilitating exchange of data for traffic management systems. The SFERA protocols is meant as a single messaging standard for data exchange between infrastructure manager, highway undertakings, and onboard devices, which accommodates automatic train operation and driving advisory system application, working both over ETCS and other train protection system. UIC is also working on alternative to diesel solutions, so via its project Decision to Diesel and H2TR, hydrogen technology in highways. So running an hydrogen train means amending the safety management system of the highway undertaking, safety certificates, and the infrastructure manager safety agreement. The goal of UIC is to provide information on alternative to diesel with the associated cost and associated risks to help the highway undertaking and the infrastructure manager with their risk analysis. Also here in the field of sustainability, you can see that we have a lot of ongoing projects, and we also schedule to have a lot of additional one in the next year. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Adeline. Thank you, Adeline. Thank you very much. Interesting presentation.